Blackbird. Come here. Blackbird is at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire at Bedford. Here with Brother Rigby over there. Rigby's found something. What you got back there, Rigby? These are a bonded pair and would like to find a home together. Oh, and my goodness, is somebody going to be lucky to have you too? Hi, Rigby. Blackbird, would you come say hi? They don't know me, so they're a little shy at first. What interesting markings you have. Oh. You two do love each other, don't you? Want to stay together. Did somebody find a toy? So that's Blackbird sitting up, and this is Rigby in front. An adorable pair of cats. Looking for a home where they can be together and keep each other company. Right? So you don't get lonely when people go away to work and school and all of that other stuff? See you guys. Bye-bye.